Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Zipmex application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Zipmex application on your Android device, firstly open up your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Zipmex and make a search. You're going to see the Zipmex application displayed in the search result. Simply tap on Install button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on an Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Zipmex application on your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.